Hello, dear colleagues. It's me from my English Lessons channel. Today, we are going to practice our reading skills and at the same time, our listening skills, because you will listen to the text while seeing the text in front of your eyes. It is important when you learn English that you learn how to read and write because we use this skill every day in our life. So if you have any type of written test coming up for your English exam, then this video is great preparation for you. So let's get started. You can also find the text under the video in the description, so you can download it and print it out and follow along with me during the lesson. The first thing you should know about this video is that it's part of the series called A Parent's Love, Improve Your English. This is Level 1, Graded Readers. We have these nice stories for intermediate learners. Each story has around 750 words, and we have several stories like this. Okay, so today we're going to practice reading and listening to this story. After that, we will answer some questions about the story. And don't forget that if you want to improve your English quickly and effectively, the most important thing you need to do is to start speaking English right now. Don't wait. So if you would like to receive feedback on your speaking skills, check the link in the description box down below. We'll be happy to help you. Okay, before we start reading, let's talk about the questions that you will have to answer after reading the story. So here are the questions, and pay attention to the questions. Question number 1. Why did the girl think her mother was going away forever? What did she do to cheer her up? How did the man feel about his wife's leaving? Why did he decide to go to London with her? How did the children feel when their parents left? Where were they going to stay while their parents were on holiday? Who came to take care of the children? And question number 7. What did the mother do when she came back home? Okay, let's start reading and listening. You can follow along with me. If you want to pause the video, feel free to do that. But I hope you'll be able to understand everything, even without pausing the video. A mother and father were going on holiday to London. Their 2 children, a boy and a girl, were staying at home with a babysitter. The girl was sad. She didn't want her mother to go away. The mother went to the girl's room. "What's wrong?" she asked. "Why are you sad?" The girl said, "You're going away and I'm going to be alone." The mother felt very sad. She gave her daughter a big hug. "I'm only going away for a few days," she said. "It won't be long. I'll buy you a present from London. Then we'll all go out for dinner." The girl was still sad. The next morning, the mother and father took the children to school. After that, they went to the airport. "Don't be sad," the father said to the girl. "We're only going away for a few days. When we come back, we'll all go to the park and have fun." The girl just nodded her head. She didn't say anything. At the airport, the girl waved goodbye to her mother. The plane took off. The girl felt very lonely. Her mother always played with her in the evenings. Now her mother was gone. After the plane had gone, the girl went to her room. She looked at the teddy bear on her bed. She really wanted her mother to come and play with her. But what could she do to cheer herself up? She thought for a moment. Then she went into the kitchen. She made 2 sandwiches, one for herself and one for her teddy bear. She sat down on a chair and gave one sandwich to her teddy bear. "Thank you," she said. "This is a lovely sandwich." She pretended that her teddy bear was her mother. She asked him lots of questions about his holiday. She also told him about her day at school. In the evening, the mother and father came back home. They had a great holiday. They went to Paris, Rome, and Madrid. They saw many famous places. They also bought many presents for the children. When the children saw their parents, they ran to them and gave them big hugs. "We've missed you," they said. The mother and father were very happy. They were glad to be back home. And now let's answer the questions. Why did the girl think her mother was going away forever? Because her mother always played with her in the evenings, and her mother was gone. What did she do to cheer herself up? She made a sandwich for herself and for her teddy bear. How did the man feel about his wife's leaving? He felt sad. Why did he decide to go to London with her? Because he loved his wife and wanted to spend time with her. How did the children feel when their parents left? Sad. Where were they going to stay while their parents were on holiday? They were going to stay at home with a babysitter. Who came to take care of the children? A babysitter. And question number 7. What did the mother do when she came back home? They went to the park and had fun. Okay, now let's talk about the new words that you may not know. Alright, the first one is holiday. Holiday is a period of time when you are not working or you don't go to school. You usually spend your holidays traveling, or seeing friends, or doing things that you enjoy. The second one is an airport. An airport is a place where you take planes, where you catch your flight. The third word is present. A present is something you get on special occasions, such as your birthday or Christmas. And a present is something that you give to someone else. And the last word is cheer. Cheer means to make someone feel happier. Okay, now you can write down in the comments section what you learned in this lesson. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell button. See you in the next video. Bye!